Now the second important topic is World Happiness Report. This made a lot of news because इंडिया का बहुत पुअर रैंक है. Although India has made an increment of 1%, around 1%, थोड़ा 1% से ज़्यादा है in the in relation to the previous assessment, ठीक है, but still India World Happiness Report is released by United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Okay, it was published by United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Okay, and it evaluated 149 countries, sorry, on the basis of 3 parameters basically: GDP, social support, personal freedom, and levels of corruption in each nation. ठीक है, तो 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, सच जीडीपी. तो यहाँ पे जीडीपी की बजाय जीडीपी पर कैपिटा कैलकुलेट किया गया. तो ऑफ कोर्स द कंट्रीज हैविंग हायर पॉपुलेशन, okay, higher population are definitely going to have a lower GDP per capita, even if their GDP is very high, like India. अब चाइना का रैंक इसमें 84 है, पाकिस्तान का है 105. चाइना का रैंक 84 है, पाकिस्तान का है 105. The second one is social support in the form of social security and happiness. Happiness measure करने का कोई standard procedure नहीं है. There is no standard procedure that can tell कि लोग कितने happy हैं. Even if one says कि I'm happy, still happiness is a very what? A broad and a vague term. कि one might be happy at a point of time. Okay. One may be happy at a place. So happiness becomes an entity that is spread into time and space. So measurement of absolute happiness is not we are concerned with, or not that that really reflects the growth of a nation or development of the nation. But gross national happiness का concept दिया था भूटान ने. Okay, भूटान country है. ओके, भूटान ने कंसेप्ट दिया था ग्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस का इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट. दे सेड दैट ग्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन इंस्टेड ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट. एंड दैट इज व्हाई भूटान की जो बहुत इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी है दैट इज फोकस्ड ऑन व्हाट? क्लाइमेट, सोशल सिक्योरिटी, ठीक है, एंड रिडक्शन ऑफ, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स नेग्लिजिबल expenditure on what? Defense and all these things. Okay, because their aim is not maximization of material benefits. Of course every government's aim is reduction of poverty and all these things, but Bhutan का जो policies है, Bhutan is also a carbon sink, net carbon sink. In the time when many countries are carbon, most of the countries are what? Carbon positive in the same carbon sources basically. Bhutan is a country that is a net carbon sink. मतलब इसका absorption of carbon stock is higher than the emission of the carbon stock. Fine. So that makes a very important that sets a very important precedent in our world कि जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड की सारी कंट्रीज compete कर रही हैं ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट और जीडीपी इंक्रीज करने में, one country is focusing a lot on the value of life of the people and enhancement of the value of the life of the people. Okay, so it was gross national happiness. It was the 9th report. ठीक है, इससे पहले 8 reports प्रोड्यूस की गई थी and those reports were being published in association with Bhutan government. ठीक है, and these were composed at Thimphu. Okay, Thimphu is capital of Bhutan. ठीक है, and this whole concept of measuring gross national happiness or well-being and happiness index, it all came from Bhutanese resolution. It was also backed by Jeffrey de Sachs. Jeffrey डी शैट्स, इज एन इकोनॉमिस्ट, ठीक है। तो दिस वाज बैक्ड बाय हिम and Bhutanese resolution in United Nations for what? That invited national governments to give importance to what? Determining to increasing the well-being of the population rather than the increasing gross domestic product of the country. Okay. These are the three parameters and इनका coding जो है इन 3 पैरामीटर्स पे को 0 से 10 के बीच में स्कोर किया जाता है एंड देन द एवरेज इज कैलकुलेटेड, एवरेज स्कोर कम्स बिटवीन 0 to 10 ऑफ कोर्स। जीडीपी पर पर्सन, हेल्थ लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, सिक्योरिटी एंड वेलनेस। नाउ जीडीपी पर पर्सन कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड, health life expectancy can be calculated, security and wellness is not a very objective term, it is subjective term, okay। so where does this come from? Security and wellness is based on the Gallup survey, मतलब Gallup survey, it is a survey of, it is a survey मतलब of course it's a questionnaire, it contains of a questionnaire जहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चनर एक सर्टेन सेक्शन ऑफ सिटीजन्स के सामने रखा जाता है, दे आर आस्क्ड कि हाउ हैप्पी दे आर, हाउ सेफ दे फील इन देयर कंट्री, what they feel there about the political environment of the country, what they feel about the economic future of the country, what they feel about the police of their country and what they feel about the climate of their country, okay। तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन असेसमेंट करते हैं गैलप सर्वे के थ्रू, गैलप सर्वे के इस सारे असेसमेंट को लिंक किया जाता है इसमें सिक्योरिटी एंड वेलनेस। तो it is basically dependent upon which kind of people answered the survey, okay, understood। so although there is an attempt to make the survey representative, but no survey can be the true representation in the sense of measurement of happiness and well-being. One section of society can be discontent and the other section of society can be very happy, okay, especially in a democratic process. In autocratic, either everyone will be happy or everyone will be sad, but in a democratic faction जहाँ पे elections का process ये कि 49% वाला will be sitting in the opposition, 51% वाला will be sitting in the government, वहाँ पे ऐसा सर्वे कंडक्ट करा के happiness measure करना is a very tough job, okay। तो coming to the report, India has been ranked 139 out of 149 countries, ठीक है, in the World Happiness Report of 2021. In the 2020, India was ranked 144 out of 146. तो India has made an increment of 1%, ठीक है। तो Finland has been ranked the happiest country in the world. Finland is again ranked as happiest country in the world. It was followed by Iceland, Denmark, Switzerland, the Netherlands, okay, Sweden and Germany and Norway, ठीक है। तो सारी Baltic और Nordic countries, ठीक है। तो why are these countries always leading in all these parameters? I will account for 3 main reasons. No or very less, ठीक है, very less expenditure on डिफेंस, ठीक है। इन कंट्रीज की डिफेंस ऑब्लिगेशंस बहुत पुअर है, मतलब बहुत कम है या ना के बराबर है। द सेकेंड वन इज क्लाइमेटिक फैक्टर, ओके। थर्ड वन इज व्हाट, वेरी हाई टैक्सेशन एंड सोशल सिक्योरिटी बेनिफिट्स, okay। The rate of taxation in these countries is around 40 to 50%, but at the same time education, health and मतलब roads and all these public infrastructure or public goods come for free, okay। तो जो भी इनकी इनकम है, the major part of their income is taxed and that tax is returned to the people in the form of what, higher social security benefits. For example, there was a case in Netherlands जहाँ के prisons एम्प्टी हो रही हैं बहुत सारी प्रिजन्स, ठीक है, दोज प्रिजन्स आर गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट स्कूल्स। और प्रिजन्स भी ऐसे हैं जहां पे आप बाहर भी जा सकते हैं, घूम भी सकते हैं, ऐसे प्रिजन्स। तो क्राइम रेट इज वेरी लो, ठीक है। सोशल सिक्योरिटी बेनिफिट्स आर वेरी हाई। Every person is entitled to insurance, every person is entitled to health benefits, every person is entitled to free education. For example, in Germany all the education is free, ठीक है। तो इन कंट्रीज में सोशल सिक्योरिटी बेनिफिट्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं, प्लस क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस बहुत फेवरेबल है इनके लिए, ठीक है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन डिफेंसेस, इनकी आर्मी नेग्लिजिबल या मिनिमम के बराबर, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल आर्मी है, जिसकी वजह से इनका एक्सपेंडिचर जो है, मेजर पार्ट ऑफ देयर एक्सपेंडिचर इज गोइंग ऑन एजुकेशन, सोशल सिक्योरिटी, हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स एंड ऑल, इन क्रिएशन ऑफ पब्लिक एसेट्स, जिसकी वजह से ऑफ कोर्स इन कंट्रीज का जो हैप्पीनेस का रैंकिंग है, दे विल ऑफ कोर्स बी मोर हैप्पियर। Afghanistan has been ranked the lowest. Afghanistan has been ranked the lowest. Yeah, the most unhappy country in the world is Afghanistan right now, according to this survey. And followed by Zimbabwe, Rwanda, Botswana, Lesotho. Lesotho is a very important place. It's a landlocked country in South Africa. ठीक है? Lesotho is a landlocked country in South Africa. It is called Kingdom of Lesotho. Fine. Other observations was the report primarily deals with the effect of COVID on happiness of the people, as to how this pandemic has affected people and nations as well. People in the sense, in the individualistic sense, and societies and nations in the collective sense, as to how this pandemic has affected them. Okay, so the report analyzes the effect of COVID on happiness and how the countries differed in their approaches, as to why Italy and all these countries were having higher mortality rates. Britain, America, Italy, Spain, Portugal, all these countries have a very developed economy. उनका economy बहुत stable है, but still the rate of death was very high as compared to the rate of death of the East Asian and South Asian countries, ठीक है। Despite the fact कि South Asian and East Asian countries का जो indicators हैं वो poor हैं, इनका performance indicators पे poor है despite the fact. तो this report analyzes how these countries differed in their approaches. तो non-pharmaceutical, the first conclusion that comes from the report is कि non-pharmaceutical interventions in Asia Pacific region was both top bottom and bottom up. अब non-pharmaceutical interventions क्या होते हैं? ऐसे intervention जो कि दवाई या क्योर से रिलेटेड या मेडिसिन या मेडिकल केयर से रिलेटेड ना हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लॉकडाउन। तो द रिपोर्ट हैज फाउंड आउट दैट non-pharmaceutical interventions in Asia Pacific region was both top bottom and bottom down. मतलब governments also imposed lockdowns and there was a support from the people supporting the lockdown. And you can of course observe that there is an anomaly कि India and all these countries are the people are supporting lockdowns, ठीक है, to curb the death rate, whereas people in West are like West were campaigning against the lockdowns, ठीक है। तो that has been a difference of approach between both the countries कि Asia Pacific की countries में it was both from the top to bottom, मतलब government was also trying to impose lockdowns to curb the movements and the spread of the corona, and it was supported bottom up also, it was supported by the people as well. Individualistic and loose social norms in the countries have led to, now it says that the North Atlantic countries मतलब USA, Canada, Britain, France, Belgium, Germany, मतलब वो कंट्री जो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन के अराउंड है, ठीक है, बेसिकली जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं या वेस्ट की जो कंट्रीज हैं, यूरोप की और वेस्टर्न यूरोप एंड व्हाट यूएसए एंड कनाडा, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, उन कंट्रीज को हम नॉर्थ अटलांटिक कंट्रीज कहते हैं। तो देयर हैज बीन लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट इन द नॉन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंटरवेंशंस, दे हैव रिलाइड मोस्टली ऑन द काइंड ऑफ हेल्थ कवरेज एंड हेल्थ केयर, एंड इन चीज़ों पे उनका ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट है। अब ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि द कंट्रीज आर इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक, ओके, तो एक सोशल सपोर्ट वहां पे लैकिंग है, ठीक है। सोशल सिक्योरिटी इज प्रेजेंट, सोशल सिक्योरिटी इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय गवर्नमेंट, सोशल सपोर्ट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय पीपल ऑफ द सोसाइटी, and loose social norms have led to a situation where no, the non-pharmaceutical interventions in these countries were not supported by people.